Imagine facing an unexpected medical bill, car repair, or sudden job loss. Without an emergency fund, these situations can quickly become overwhelming. An emergency fund acts as your financial safety net, giving you peace of mind and the ability to handle life's surprises without going into debt. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to build your own emergency fund, so you can feel more secure and prepared for whatever comes your way. Emergency fund is simply a stash of money set aside to cover unexpected expenses. It's not for planned purchases or vacations, but for real emergencies like medical issues, urgent home repairs, or job loss. By having this fund, you avoid relying on credit cards or loans, which can lead to more financial stress. Let's break down how much you should save and where to keep this money for easy access. First step is deciding how much you need in your emergency fund. A common recommendation is to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Start by calculating your essential monthly costs, think rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Multiply that by 3 or 6 depending on your comfort level. This gives you a clear target to work toward, making the process less overwhelming and more achievable. Know how much you need? You first have to understand where your money goes each month. Track your spending for a month or two, noting all your essential and non-essential expenses. This helps you spot areas where you can cut back and redirect those savings into your emergency fund. It's a simple but powerful step that lays the groundwork for successful saving. Where you keep your emergency fund matters. You want it to be easily accessible, but not so easy that you're tempted to dip into it for non-emergencies. Consider a high-yield savings account or a money market account. These options offer better interest rates than regular savings accounts and allow you to access your money quickly when you need it. Don't feel pressured to save thousands right away. Even starting with a small amount like $500 can make a big difference in an emergency. The key is to begin, no matter how small. Over time, those small contributions add up and you'll be surprised at how quickly your fund grows with consistent effort. One of the best ways to build your emergency fund is to automate your savings. Set up a recurring transfer from your checking account to your emergency fund each payday. This way, you're paying yourself first and you won't be tempted to spend what you don't see. Automation takes the guesswork out of saving and keeps you on track toward your goal. Take a close look at your spending habits. Are there subscriptions you don't use or impulse buys you can avoid? Cutting back on non-essential expenses frees up more money to put toward your emergency fund. Even small changes like making coffee at home or eating out less can add up over time and help you reach your savings goal faster. If you're finding it hard to save from your current income, consider ways to earn extra money. This could be through a side gig, selling unused items, or freelancing. Any additional income can go straight into your emergency fund, helping you reach your goal more quickly. Every little bit helps and you might discover new opportunities along the way. It's easy to fall into traps like using your emergency fund for non-emergencies or not replenishing it after use. Stay disciplined by setting clear rules for what counts as an emergency. If you do need to use the fund, make it a priority to rebuild it as soon as possible. This way, you'll always have a safety net when you need it most. Building an emergency fund is easier when everyone in the household is on board. Talk openly with your family about the importance of saving for emergencies. Set shared goals and celebrate milestones together. When everyone understands the purpose, it's easier to stay motivated and make saving a team effort. Check in on your emergency fund regularly. Set a reminder to review your savings every month or quarter. Celebrate your progress no matter how small and adjust your plan if needed. Regular check-ins keep you accountable and help you stay focused on your goal even when life gets busy. Sometimes, unexpected expenses will force you to dip into your emergency fund. That's okay, it's what the fund is for. Don't get discouraged if you have to start rebuilding. The important thing is to get back on track as soon as possible. Every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to financial security. To avoid the temptation of spending your emergency savings, keep this fund in a separate account from your regular checking or savings. This simple step helps you mentally separate your emergency money from everyday spending, making it less likely you'll use it for non-urgent needs. It's important to know when it's appropriate to use your emergency fund. True emergencies are unexpected, necessary, and urgent, like medical bills, car repairs, or sudden loss of income. Avoid using the fund for planned expenses or wants. Having clear guidelines helps you preserve your safety net for when you really need it. If you ever need to use your emergency fund, make it a priority to rebuild it. Go back to your savings plan and resume regular contributions. Even if it takes time, consistently adding to your fund will restore your safety net and keep you prepared for the next unexpected event. As your life changes, your emergency fund goal might need to change too. If your expenses go up or down, recalculate your target amount. Major life events like moving, having a child, or changing jobs are good times to review your fund and make adjustments. Staying flexible ensures your fund always fits your needs. Your emergency fund should be safe and easily accessible, not invested in stocks or other risky assets. While it might be tempting to chase higher returns, the priority is liquidity and security. Stick to savings accounts or money market funds to ensure your emergency money is there when you need it. Every time you hit a savings milestone, take a moment to celebrate your progress. Whether it's your first $500 or reaching your full goal, acknowledging your achievements keeps you motivated. Reward yourself in small, meaningful ways that don't derail your savings plan. Building an emergency fund is a journey, and every step counts. Saving for emergencies can feel slow, but remember why you started. Keep your goal visible, maybe on your fridge or in your budgeting app. Remind yourself of the peace of mind and security you're building. Staying motivated is key to making steady progress, even when it feels tough. Building an emergency fund is one of the smartest financial moves you can make. It gives you confidence, reduces stress, and prepares you for life's surprises. Start small, stay consistent, and adjust as needed. Over time, you'll build a solid safety net that protects you and your loved ones no matter what comes your way.